Welcome to my channel. Ultimate Eero Max 7 Setup Guide for Beginners. Step 1. Unbox your Eero Max 7. Take your Eero Max 7 out of the box and make sure you have all the accessories, including the power adapter and Ethernet cable. Keep everything nearby before starting the installation. Step 2. Choose the best location. Place your Eero Max 7 close to your modem or fiber ONT, keep it in an open area, away from walls, metal objects, and large electronics for the strongest Wi-Fi signal. Step 3. Connect the router. Turn off your modem, then connect the Ethernet cable from the modem to your Eero Max 7. Plug in the power adapter and wait until the LED light starts blinking white. Step 4. Install the Eero app. Download the Eero app on your Android or iPhone. Sign in or create a new account to begin the setup process. Step 5. Set up your Wi-Fi network. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. Create a unique Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and a strong password to keep your network secure. Step 6. Let the router complete setup. The app will automatically configure your internet connection. Wait a few minutes while the router finishes the setup and the LED turns solid white. Step 7. Update the firmware. Check for any available firmware updates in the Eero app. Installing the latest software improves security, performance, and overall network stability. Step 8. Add more Eero, optional. If you have additional Eero units, plug them in and use the app to add them to your mesh network. Place each unit where the Wi-Fi signal starts to weaken. Step 9. Connect your devices. Connect your smartphones, laptops, smart TVs, gaming consoles, and other devices using the Wi-Fi name and password you created during setup. Step 10. Test your Wi-Fi performance. Walk around your home and check the Wi-Fi signal in every room. Enjoy fast, reliable Wi-Fi 7 speeds for streaming, gaming, video calls, and all your connected devices. Thanks for watching.